Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see answers in Google Forms step by step. First, open the Google form. Then place the cursor anywhere on the page, right-click then select View Page Source from the drop-down menu. After clicking it, a new page opens where you can see the backend code of the form. Then, go back to the Google form page and copy the question statement. Next, return to the source code page and press Ctrl+F on the keyboard. Paste the copied question into the search box and press Enter. After pressing Enter, you can find that question statement within the source code. Using the navigation arrows, you can see all the places where the statement appears. From this backend code, you can view the answers associated with the question. And that's it. This is how you can view responses in Google Forms. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.